It's part of strategy, it's part of vision, we believe it's also a competitive advantage for us, but also we want to take responsibility for actions and to make sure also that our all stakeholders, customers, partners and so on are part of our own commitments. We have a zero accidents program, for example. We want to make sure that every operator, every worker in the company can go home whole and healthy every day from work. We also are investing a lot in environmental things. One of the examples of that is a bioenergy plant that we took into operation in 2012. And this is actually an interesting example because we use our own production waste to heat our own processes, and for that we need a big bioenergy plant. But that means that we are totally self-sufficient on heating energy, which we consume quite a lot in curing our product.